Sesame Motor Corporation was founded in 1990 as a manufacturer of motors and gear reducers in Taiwan. We know the motor and gear reducer are crucial driving components in machinery, as important as a human's heart. That is why Sesame Motor has spent over 20 years concentrating on motor and gear reducer manufacturing, with its efforts and innovation to obtain complementary and constant growth. Sesame Motor utilizes world-class manufacturing and an enterprise resource planning system to build AC/DC motors and precision gear reducers in a new factory built in 2009, thus becoming one of the leading makers in the motor and gear driving industry. Our main products include precision planetary gearboxes, gear reducers, foot mount and V-casting gear motors, AC/DC motors, speed-controlled motors, electromagnetic brake motors, clutch brake motors, torque motors, speed controllers, and linear actuators. Each of our products is engineered to meet high precision and quality requirements, which have resulted in our large market share and a good reputation in the power transmission area. Sesame Motor's full line of exceptional quality precision planetary gearboxes has been widely used in automation industries all over the world in recent years. It is now considered one of the most excellent brands in Taiwan's precision engineering industry. Constantly stepping forward is the only way to stay ahead in this time of rapid change. Sesame Motor's well-experienced production and engineering teams offer support and quickly respond to unique demands and customized requirements. Accurate, precise, and efficient power transmission products with low operation noise are developed under the goals of science and technology advancement, environmental protection, and innovation. And are provided for use in machine tools, industrial robots, semiconductor devices, the aerospace industry, medical and rehabilitation equipment, green energy-related industries, and precise automation equipment with servo motors. Sesame Motor offers the best quality products, the fastest delivery, and the best service. With world-class manufacturing and testing facilities, improved processes, and production capacity to ensure customer satisfaction and provide priority service. Clients can also rest assured because they will receive CE, CCC, and UL certified products produced by an ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 certified company. Sesame Motor's sales network has been expanded to over 40 countries all over the world, including a subsidiary established in Shanghai, China, to offer immediate after-sales service, and keep on conquering the American, European, and Middle Eastern markets, aiming to offer globalized service across the world. Sesame Motor's exceptional operating teams will keep on providing quality service and building a sustainable management system under the business philosophy of honesty, creativity, positivity, and innovation to meet customer requirements and ensure customer satisfaction.